The Google June 2025 core update just finished. Did it destroy your website? Did you see massive ranking improvements? In this video, I'll cover what the June 2025 Google Core update is all about, what we saw with this core update, what to expect from future Google Core updates, and can you ever recover from a core update in the future? Stay with us throughout this video to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos on core updates and other Google search marketing topics. So what's a Google Core update? It's an update that Google pushes out about 4 times a year, maybe more, maybe a little bit less, which Google considers to be one of the more significant updates to its core ranking systems, where not just SEOs, but the general public might know a significant change has been made to the Google search rankings. Google only announces these core updates when they're broad and wide enough where Google thinks others may notice. But Google's constantly pushing out updates to its core ranking systems. Google says these core updates are about making sure the most helpful and useful content shows at the top of the Google search results. Google also says that these are broad changes to the Google algorithm and don't specifically target any individual website, but rather a broad spectrum of signals. Plus, content is changing on the web constantly. New sites are popping up all the time, new content's written all the time, other content gets outdated, people update their content, and these all have an impact in terms of how Google assesses, evaluates, and ranks that content in the Google search results. Core updates take all that into account when it's re-ranking its search results. So what did we see with this core update? It was a big core update. I think this is probably one of the bigger core updates in a while. The core update, again, was announced on June 30th, and it took over 16 days to fully roll out, completing, according to Google, on July 17th. We first saw ranking volatility hit on July 2nd, so it took a few days for the actual core update actually to show any ranking volatility, ranking fluctuations in the actual Google search results. Shortly after those ranking fluctuations started to push out, people started to say, hey, I see a partial recovery from a site that got hit with the helpful content update in September 2023. Yes, almost 2 years ago. So we started to report about those recoveries on July 10th, but the recoveries people started to notice around 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and throughout this core update. Now, a lot of people did not see recoveries. A lot of sites that were hit by this September helpful content update or previous core updates did not see any recoveries. In fact, some saw more devastating declines in their traffic and rankings, but some saw partial recoveries, like 20% increases, 80% increases, or even more. Some, very rare, saw actual full recoveries, but for the most part, those that saw recoveries saw a nice boost in their current rankings and a nice traffic boost overall. Will their traffic ever be the same? Probably not. We have AI overviews, we have AI mode, we have stuff pushing that stuff, the organic results all the time, so it's hard to get clicks anymore from Google search. We talked about this in the great decoupling, but in terms of ranking position, it seems like some sites saw a nice boost in their rankings. They're not only showing up in the core rankings higher, but they're also showing in search features like top stories, AI overviews, AI mode, any search feature, like they're getting rich results again. So it's actually helping them actually do better because Google assesses their quality as being higher because that's what core updates do. Now again, there's lots of sites that got hit really, really hard by this update and are not doing well. And some sites actually say, no, nothing changed. I'm seeing the same exact traffic, same exact rankings, nothing's changed with me. But again, the big thing here is that there are a significant number of people saying they actually saw a boost, maybe not a full recovery, but a partial recovery from the September 2023 helpful content update, which they've been sitting at for almost 2 years, not being able to cover at all. I have this all laid out in my post on Search Engine Roundtable if you want to go through the details from a lot of people posting examples, including Glenn Gabe and a bunch of others. So definitely dig in over there if you want to learn more. I should make one more note. It doesn't seem like this core update is fully done yet. The tools themselves are still pretty heated, but I do suspect that the core update, at least the volatility related to the core update, will hopefully settle down in the next day or two. But again, most of you probably would have already seen any ranking fluctuations already with the core pages on your website, so you'll probably know by now if you were actually impacted in a positive, negative, or neutral way with this update. So should we expect more core updates in the future? Again, Google said back in December of 2024 that we should expect more core updates more often, and we haven't seen that. We've seen 2 core updates so far, and it's mid-year. That's the same number of core updates we saw in 2024 by this time. So likely we'll only see 4 core updates this year, which again is on par with what we had in previous years. Sometimes we've seen 5, 4, 6. We're not on any type of escalation process where we're seeing more core updates more often, despite what Google said. And Google wanted to release more core updates more often because they thought it would be easier and less painful for those who were hit by previous core updates to actually see recoveries, because when a new core update releases, it could help you actually recover from the previous core update. But again, we haven't seen more core updates more often. It's always possible that Google's going to say, yeah, we're going to step this up in the second half of 2025. But as of today, Google has not released more core updates more often. So can you recover from these core updates? I think this update, the June 2025 core update, did show us that sites can recover from previous helpful content updates, at least partially recover, from previous helpful content updates, as well as previous core updates. We've seen sites that were hit by previous core updates actually recover fully and even partially by a new core update release. But it could take a while. Google even said in their own documentation, if you made improvements, it may take time to see an effect in the Google search results. Google said some changes may take a few days, highly unlikely in my opinion, but it could take several months according to Google's documentation. Google said this is because Google's core systems need to learn and also confirm that the site on a whole level is now producing helpful, reliable, people-first content. And it has to be in the long term. Google doesn't want to see it for one day, then you reverse it and so forth. So it does take time, sometimes several months, for sites to recover. And we saw that significantly with the September helpful content update. And Google specifically said in their help documentation, if it's been a few months and you still haven't seen any recovery, that could mean you have to wait till the next core update. Google specifically says a core update could actually go ahead and help you recover. So yes, it's possible. We've seen it. And hopefully you will recover with the next core update. And hopefully it'll be sooner than later. Hopefully we'll have more core updates more often. In any event, it's now time for you to actually look at your rankings, take a look at your search analytics data, dive in, see if you have increased rankings, decreased rankings, higher average position for certain keywords, lower average position for keywords. Do a delta report to see how you were ranking before this core update and after this core update. And you could actually see if you were actually impacted in a positive or negative way. And I hope you all were impacted in a very positive way and not in a negative way. Again, don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos. Thank you, and we'll be back with more information soon. Bye-bye.